welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of body language. Did you know that over half of our communication is nonverbal? That's right, our bodies are constantly sending out signals, whether we realize it or not. By understanding and mastering the secrets of body language, you can unlock a whole new level of communication. Imagine being able to build instant rapport, exude confidence, and truly connect with anyone you meet. Stay tuned to learn the top 5 tips that can help you communicate more effectively. Get ready to unleash the power of your presence. Have you ever noticed how someone's eyes can draw you in? Eye contact is the foundation of connection. When you look someone in the eye, it shows that you're present, interested, and trustworthy. Now, we don't want to stare them down, but aim for a comfortable and steady gaze. Think of it like holding their gaze for a beat longer than you normally would. This small change can make a huge difference in how confident and approachable you appear. Remember, the eyes are the windows to the soul, so let them connect with yours. Our posture speaks volumes before we even utter a word. Think about how you feel when someone stands with their arms crossed, shoulders hunched, closed off. Now imagine someone with an open stance, arms relaxed, and shoulders back. See the difference? An open posture instantly makes you appear more approachable, friendly, and confident. So next time you're engaging in a conversation, remember to uncross those arms, relax your shoulders, and show the world you're open to connection. It's amazing how such a simple shift can make you feel more at ease and receptive to those around you. Chapter 3. This technique might sound a little strange at first, but trust me on this one. Mirroring is a powerful tool for building rapport and creating a sense of connection. Have you ever noticed how close friends and couples often unconsciously mirror each other's body language? It's a natural way of showing empathy and building trust. Now, I'm not saying to mimic every single movement, but subtly reflecting their posture, hand gestures, or even tone of voice can create an instant bond. It signals that you're on the same wavelength and strengthens that invisible thread of connection. Chapter 4. When we get excited or passionate about something, our hands naturally want to join the conversation. Hand gestures are a fantastic way to add emphasis, energy, and clarity to your message. Think about it. A speaker who uses expressive hand gestures instantly becomes more engaging and captivating. They draw us in, helping us visualize and connect with their words. So don't be afraid to let your hands do some of the talking. Use them to emphasize key points, illustrate your ideas, and inject your personality into your communication. Chapter 5. Active listening is crucial for effective communication, and nodding is a simple yet powerful way to show you're truly engaged. When you nod, it signals to the other person that you're following along, understanding their perspective, and genuinely interested in what they have to say. Think back to a time when someone listened to you intently, nodding along as you spoke. Didn't it make you feel heard and validated? Let's make others feel that way too. A well-timed nod can go a long way in building rapport and fostering meaningful connections. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Remember, mastering body language is an ongoing journey, but with practice and awareness, you can become a more confident and impactful communicator. See you next time.